Hello all, good morning. I welcome you all in English writing skills, and in today's video we are going to see drafting memos part 2, in which we are going to revise format of drafting memo and sample examples. I welcome you all in today's video lecture. Let us revise what is a memorandum or memo. Memorandum, which is widely called as memo, is a written document or statement specially prepared for junior person or committee in order to give them information about a particular matter. Already we have seen this in the first part of drafting memos. Let us revise it in short. Memos is a written document. Memo is a written document prepared for junior person or committee in order to inform them, inquire them, instructed them, to promote goodwill and all. And mostly it is sent by senior person to the juniors. Let us revise format of memo. It should be written in box. Then you mention letterhead. What does the letterhead contain? It contains the person or the committee or the organization who is about to issue the memo. With address you should mention letterhead. Then you should write outward number along with the date. In middle you should write the very word memo. Then you should write to, from, subject and body. Body should contain at least 2 paragraphs, and finally person who has issued the memo by order SD, and that person's name and designation should be mentioned. Name and designation of authorized person. In this video we are going to see examples of memo. See, here we have a question. As an in charge of your department, draft a memo to the first year mechanical student for misbehaving in the guest lecture arranged for them. What is the question? You have to draft a memo, of course, and for whom? To whom? To the first year mechanical students. And what is the purpose? As they misbehaved during the guest lecture that was arranged for them. Let us see. First you have to write the letterhead, and the letterhead mentions the name of college or organization. Here it is college, so Government Polytechnic, Colamba Road, Kolhapur 416118. Then you should draw a line there. Then you should mention outward number. Outward number includes the abbreviation of that company or organization name, GPK, that is Government Polytechnic, Kolhapur. Science and Humanities Department, memo 4321, that is date. The same has been written here, 4/3/2021. In middle you should write the very word memo. It is written to FY mechanical students from HOD Science and Humanities Department. Subject misbehavior in the guest lecture. That is the subject of this memo. Let us see the body of this memo. It has been observed that the students of first year mechanical engineering misbehaved and created different noises during the guest lecture arranged for them, even after repeated instructions. The importance of guest lecture was already informed. The HOD says or issues the memo to the first year mechanical students, warning them about or mentioning about their misbehavior and the noises that they created during the guest lecture that was arranged for them. And during the noise, when they were making that time, many instructions also were given, then also the student didn't listen. So the HOD has issued this memo, and even in this memo he mentions that the importance of guest lecture was already informed. And then also you you created such an atmosphere during guest lecture. So he is annoyed on them. Hence, they are hereby strictly informed that if they repeat the same, they will not be permitted to attend the next guest lecture conducted by the college. Here it is a warning given to them, given to the student, that if they do the same again, then they will not be permitted to attend the guest lecture arranged next time by college, and hence strictly note should be taken by them. It is mentioned here, strictly take the note by order SD, that is Standard Deviation, HOD Science and Humanities, Government Polytechnic, Colombo. That is the memo of the given question. Let us see second example. Your industry has not been able to meet the production target for the month because of excessive leave of the workers. As a manager, draft a memo warning to the workers that if they continue, their bonus will be reduced. Imagine you are having a post of manager, and as a manager you have to draft a memo giving warning to the workers, and workers who due to their excessive leaves they did not complete their target. They didn't meet the production target for a particular month. As a manager, you have to draft here a memo for your workers. Let's see. Box we have done. The name of industry, that is Lakshmi Industries Limited, 2011 MIDC area, Kolhapur. Outward number LIL, that is Lakshmi Industries Limited, memo 4521. Date 4/5/2021. Memo to all the workers of production department from manager production department. Which department's manager? That also should be mentioned here. Manager from production department, because in industries there will be different departments. Subject taking excessive leaves. Let's see body. It has been observed by the director of the company that the workers of the production department are taking excessive leaves. It has therefore affected the production target of the last month, due to which the company has to bear the great loss. The director of the company has observed that the workers of the production department, they are taking excessive leaves. कंपनीचा जो डायरेक्टर आहे त्याच्या असं लक्षात आलं की प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंटचे वर्कर्स एक्सेसिव्ह लिव्ज घेतात, ज्यामुळे त्याचा परिणाम प्रोडक्शन टार्गेटवरती झालेला आहे, आणि ज्या कंपनीने त्या महिन्याचं टार्गेट कंप्लीट न केल्यामुळे कंपनीला खूप मोठा लॉस सहन करावा लागलेला आहे. हेन्स ऑल दी वर्कर्स आर वॉर्न्ड दॅट इफ दे टेक एक्सेसिव्ह लिव्ज अफेक्टिंग ऑन प्रोडक्शन टार्गेट, then their bonus will be reduced. सो इथं वर्कर्सना असं वॉर्निंग दिलेलं आहे की जर त्यांनी एक्सेसिव्ह लिव्ज घेतलीत की ज्याचा परिणाम प्रोडक्शन टार्गेटवरती होईल, जर असं झालं, परत झालं, कंटिन्युटी राहिली तर त्यांचा बोनस रिड्यूस केला जाईल, असं वॉर्निंग देण्यात आलेलं आहे. थस द सिरियस नोट शुड बी टेकन बाय द वर्कर्स बाय ऑर्डर SD, मॅनेजर Production Department, Lakshmi Industries Limited, Kolhapur. That is the format of this question given for the drafting memo. Hope you got all the examples. All means only 2 here we have discussed. Hope you got both the examples, how the questions were asked and how the memo has been drafted here. Hope you will try your level best and will try to write the memo. Thank you. All the best and try your level best for issuing a memo. Thank you all.